Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today, this is the canvas. Do you want to see how a 24 years old vehicle that it's heavily damaged looks like? Here we go. So as you saw, the vehicle is heavily damaged. The paint is looking terrible. The clear coat is gone in many areas. I was measuring the thickness of the paint in the entire vehicle to make sure that, I am playing safe. And there are certain areas where I'm not going to be able to do much. I spoke to the customer and the customer is thinking about selling the vehicle. So the idea here is just to make it look a little better so he can put on the market and get some more money. Now, there's a lot of contamination. There's no protection whatsoever. So of course, this vehicle haven't seen a better day, probably, I don't know, in a decade. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the vehicle and let's see what we can get from it. Alright guys, so this paint is looking really bad. So again, the goal here is to make it look good enough so the customer can sell and make a little more than he would if it was just like this. As you can see, a dramatic change. Okay guys, so I just finished the left side of the hood. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up with my inspection light, and again, this is what we're trying to achieve. We're not gonna make it perfect. This is the side that has not been polished yet, and this is the side that has been polished. Okay, so this is what we're trying to achieve. There's no way we can make this paint look perfect. See, that thing is etched into the clear coat, so gotta be very careful. So this is the side that have not been polished, and this is the side that has been polished. Okay, so the goal is to bring the vehicle back to looking like this, so the customer can sell it for a little more money. That's the goal. Yeah, I think I might have a video about this. If I do, I'll let you know. Yeah, I had a vehicle that I thought it was worse than this, but I think this so far has been the worst vehicle I've had. But that's why I think I'm gonna have a video about this car. Yeah, but it's gonna be a fun one to watch. All right, so a quick signature for me here, and I'm gonna move my van, and you should be good to go. Let me give you the key.
I'm really happy, so I appreciate it, Jack. My pleasure. All right.
Okay, guys, that's a wrap for today. The customer came and picked up the vehicle. He was very happy with the results. I explained the situation from the beginning. I went there, so communication is key. When I inspected the vehicle, I asked the customer, "What's your intention? What's your goal?" And he told me, "I just want to spend enough so I can have the vehicle look a little better, good enough for me to sell it." He inherited a vehicle. He didn't know the history of the vehicle. The vehicle was 24 years old, and I could tell from the get go that the vehicle had not seen better days for a long time. So, if I had to bring the vehicle back to showroom quality, I would probably have to spend a few days on the vehicle, and he will probably spend more than the vehicle is worth. And so far, from my experience, I haven't ran into a customer yet that wanted to spend more on detailing than the vehicle is worth. So that's it, guys. That's a wrap for today. Vehicle is delivered. Customer is satisfied. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to support me by hitting the like and subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification notice for more future content like this. Once again, I hope to see you again on the next one. Take care.